Hi, and welcome to the second video in increasing and decreasing by a percentage. By the end of this video, you should be able to increase and decrease an amount by a percentage in just one step. So let's see how that works. Let's say we want to increase $50 by 10%. In the previous video, I got you to find the percentage first, which in this case would be $5, and then add the amount on to get the answer of $55. But let's consider it this way. We want to take $50 and add 10% onto it. That $50 represents 100% of the amount. So if I want to add on 10%, what I actually want to find is 110%. So I can do this all in one step by taking the $50 and timesing it by 110%. This will give me an answer of $55. It includes the $50, which is the original 100%, plus the 10%, which is the $5. Let's take another look at a different example. Let's say I want to increase $90 by 15%. I want to do 90 plus 15%. Now that 90 represents 100%. So if I want to increase that by 15%, what I actually want to find is 115%. This will allow me to do it in one step. So $90 times 115% in one go will give me $103.50. And you can check that on your calculator. What about if I want to decrease by a percentage? Let's say I want to decrease $120 by 10%. In the past, I got you to find the percentage and then subtract the amount. Two steps. So first you would find 10% of 120, which is $12, and then you would do 120, take away that 12 to give you the 108. But we're going to do it in just one step. Let's say we want to take $120 and we want to subtract 10%. That $120 represents 100% of the amount. So if I want to take away 10%, what I actually want to find is 90%. So I can do this in one step. If I take my $120 and find 90% of it, it will give me in one go $108. This is really useful if you have a calculator. Let's say I want to decrease $2,500 by 15%. So let's take that $2,500, it represents 100%, and if I take away 15%, what I actually want to find is 85%, because 100 take away 15 is 85%. So in one go on my calculator, what I would write, or what I'd put in, is 2,500 times 85%, and that would give me my answer in one go of $2,125. That's increasing and decreasing by a percentage. Here are some notes that I'd get you to write down so that you can have them ready for yourself if you ever have any future questions that you want to try this technique out on. And that's it. Hopefully you understand how to increase and decrease by a percentage, and if you want to ask any questions, feel free to do so in class.